Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we've had a channel break, and we are very close to the gap at the moment, and so play is playing out quite nicely. We are in an area of resistance, which is 47.10 area, and the top of each one of these tails here is going to offer some form of resistance. So you could pretty much just, I suppose, be safer to do that. So that's kind of the area you would expect some kind of a pullback onto structure. And the trick is to find that structure of where the pullback is going to happen. So we did get a retest of one of the areas, which was this level here. Happened quite late in the session. That's 46.72. If you have a look at the oscillator in the 3-hour group to the upside, you don't want to be long at the moment. Well, not sort of long with a full-size position. Typically what I'd be looking for is a lower time frame, pullback onto structure, smaller position size, tighter stop loss, less risk, and then look for the opportunities based on that. So at the moment, we are kind of a little bit overbought. Even on the hour, you can see on the hour, we're pretty much overbought most of yesterday. But just have a look at yesterday. As I said during the video, breakthrough, looking like a breakthrough of the channel and the moving average, and that's exactly what transpired. And it was one-way traffic from there. Had a bit of a sort of a pullback here just before the market opened and then accelerated. So there you can see a 1 bar pullback. So it's one pin bar onto this area, and this is the reason why you shouldn't be on the hour at the moment, not with the oscillators like they are. You need to be looking at something like the 15-minute chart for your 1 hour for your levels and 15-minute for your opportunities. Even then, that would have been a little bit, how to put it, not risky, but you can see look how much that 1 bar was. It was 185 pips on 1 bar. So even coming down to the 5-minute based on those levels would have got you in as an early entry. And you can see there the 5-minute pin bar there off structure. Buy into that, and you would have gained, and you would have pretty much had an opportunity there. 120 points stop loss, and you could have ridden it till the first red bar if you wanted, or even up to here for a 1-to-1 trade. Anyway, that's just the way you need to look at this market at the moment. Wait for the structure and then take it from there. So next bit of structure is right here at 46.94. Is a bit of a wedge forming here. So I would expect a pullback a little bit deeper, probably for 46.72. So somewhere between 46.94 and 46.72. And the only way you're going to see this is on the 15-minute chart. So you can see there is 15-minute structure there, quite a bit of it, so that would make sense. And then the bottom of this tail would offer some support, and the bottom of these tails here would also offer some support. So that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. I would expect some kind of a pullback onto structure, and from there we have a look to see if we can buy. Pay attention to the oscillators. You want the oscillators either apart like this, or you want them grouped together like that. And this is on the 50-minute. Obviously, you want it on the higher time frames as well. But at the moment, I think it's one-way traffic. So you're probably going to grind higher still and test this 47.10 today at least. I expect to bounce off it, maybe just range around. We break at 47.10 area. Then we next target is 47.30. We need to get above that. If we get above that, then we're starting to head for 4,800. So yeah, that's kind of my structure at the moment, and that's what I'm looking to do. Looking to buy the pullbacks and keep the stops as tight as possible. Trade it off a 15-minute chart, and make sure that you've got your stops in and protect your capital. Anyway, that's it for me this morning. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.